Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can get rid of all these elements in the Windows 11 lock screen. So let's get started. To begin with, simply go to Windows settings, then go to personalization. From here click on lock screen. You'll get the option of lock screen status. Here click on this option and set it to none, and that's it. Now if you are using an older version of Windows, simply uncheck this option. Once done, simply restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Alternatively, you can also do this. Right click over the Windows icon and open Terminal as admin. Now copy this command line from the video description. Paste it here and hit enter. This process will uninstall the WebExperience package. Once done, simply close this window and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.